the magnet came out from here. Don't snap my finger.
You better watch out.
Ay, chamaco, vale más que no. Ay!
Rolling sound.
Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Guess what? Today I'm going to do a collective haul for you. I've been shopping and I know I haven't done one of those in a while, but I wanted to share some goodies with you. But before we get started, I want to share something else with you, something that's coming up. Okay friends, remember I told you about the little cake that I'm making for Valentine's? Well, friends, let me give you a sneak peek of what I've got going. I've got my little bear already, and this is one of my cookie dough ornaments. I've already painted my little cone that's going to go on there. And I also have a candy bar. And I made this out of dough. It's going to go similar to this. And then it's going to have like a donut in front, some Valentines, and a little foo-foo bowl right in here somewhere. And it's going to be all decorated. So keep watching and that's going to be coming up. All right, I just wanted to share that with you right quick. All right, friends. Let's start off with what I found at Target. I wanted to share with you what I found at Target. At Target, I found these cute little bowls. Look at this, friends. Aren't they not adorable? I went ahead and picked up a red one and a pink one. I love to decorate for Valentine's, and in case we were having a get-together or something, this would be perfect for dips. I just thought these were adorable, and they were $5 each. So I picked these, one of each, and I just loved them, and I was so excited about them. Then I also picked this chalkboard up. This one was $3, and I know that Dollar Tree has them for $1, but the ones at Dollar Tree were all bubbled up to where you couldn't really write on them. But I should have taken this off, Eric. I know that this does a number on the camera. But anyway, I got this chalkboard for $3, and I picked up something from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to be doing with it. In fact, I picked up, I don't know, I picked up a candle holder, and I'm thinking I'm going to glue it like that. I'm going to probably color or spray paint the candle holder, or I also picked up one of these. I don't know, but E6000 is going to glue these, and I'm going to put seasonal bowls on them, and I'm going to put them in my kitchen, and I'm going to say, I'm going to write on there, because it came with a chalk, I'm going to put on there, tonight's dinner, Hot Pockets. Just for you, Eric. All right. So,
I don't eat Hot Pockets.
I know, but you said I was good at making Hot Pockets. Okay, friends. I was looking for a red headband so that I could make my Valentine headband, and I found it at Target. In this little set, it comes with a little pin and also a little clipping thing, and it was only $3. So, and it's kind of like red velvet. I thought that was pretty cute. Maybe I'll get to work on that this weekend. I also bought this little set of risers. These are good for anything to display. It's a big one and a little one for $5. I should have had these opened, but I haven't done a haul in a while, so I'm kind of out of it. Look at that. Whether you need it for your mantle or my display in the back or here at the table, I thought these were pretty cute for $5, the set. Okay, moving on to Walmart. I went to Walmart and I found some cute things. First of all, I found this cookie cutter, friends. And it's got all these stamps in it that you can use. You can press down after you cut your cookie out. You can press any message on it, like Be Mine, and it's got several different ones. And I just thought that it was the neatest thing, so I had to pick that up. And I think it was like $2.98. I'm not really sure, but I think that's how much it was. had to have that. Oh, I'm so excited. I happened to be in the little craft section, the kids craft section, and I found this, and I thought, have to have it. Look at these embellishments. This little set, Craft Blitz, has little decorative beads and this confetti glitter. Oh my gosh, friends. I can see this on cupcakes already. Look at that. It just shines and sparkles. And then look at these little cute things. These embellishments are darling. And I really forgot how much these were. They were probably too much, but I had to have them. Look at that. The ice cream cone, the little candy. Oh, how cute. Look at that. I don't remember how much they were. I wish I would have written it down on here before I showed it to you. But they have those in the kids' craft section, and those will be so cute to decorate cupcakes with, or your cakes or whatever. Another thing I found in that section that I just had to pick up were these little foam balls, bright foam balls. Friends, these, I can see these in an Easter cupcake or an Easter border. You can just use it on any craft. I just think it'd be good for Easter season. So I picked that up as well. Then I found the little package that I was telling y'all about at Christmas of foam sheets with the adhesive back. This little set I think sells for $2.98 if I'm not mistaken. And it brings all these different sheets. And I just had to pick this up because you never know when you're going to need these glittery sheets. Look at that. And then they have that self-adhesive back on them. Okay, another thing that I picked up at Walmart was this little package of Wonderloom little elastic bands. And remember, friends, our friend Cindy with Peep This Y'all suggested that we buy some of these if we wanted to and cut them up and use them for sprinkles on your fake bakes. And so I'm going to try that. I'm going to be cutting some of these out and trying them out. They had all kinds of Valentine's Day molds, but I had already picked some up. So I went ahead and picked this one up because it had like a Reese's Heart mold to it. So, and then it has the rosette, round rosette, and it's got a heart. And I just thought this was a bargain for $3.98. Look at that, friends. I can already see this one made out of clay. All right, I picked that up. And if you're going to be making some candy bouquets or candy gifts, Walmart still has these for $1, your Valentine Hearts. So I thought I'd pick some up because I am going to be decorating a little Valentine box with candy. So, these are so cute for $1. They're not bad. And you're not giving somebody so much sugar that they are going to go into a coma, a diabetic coma. So, anyway, so that I think that was all I bought at Walmart. Now, at Dollar Tree, I went ahead and picked up some more of these rounds because if you plan to make that little cake that I just showed you, friends, these are 2 to a package for $1.25 now, but you're going to need 6 of them. So you're going to need to have 3 packages to make that little cake. And I also picked up, let's see what else. I showed you the candle holders. Oh my gosh. Dollar Tree has this little candy jar. And I remember my mom had some of these. I remember growing up, I'd see them at my grandma's house. And my mom had some. And it just brought back a lot of memories. And I kept thinking, that could do something with that, you know. Look at that. I don't know. I just thought that it would be good to have that for something. So those were real cute. Also, let's see, what did I pick up? I picked up a lot of stuff that other people have hauled, but I'm going to be using these on the little fake cake. 24 pieces of these little foam hearts. I picked some up in pink and some in red. That's a bargain really for $1.25. If you're a crafter, you're gonna need them. And I found some more of these little wooden sticks with the hearts on them. So I picked up another package. I picked up these pretty metallic looking rainbow straws. I know that I'll use them on something or another, and they have these occasionally, but I bet when you want them, they won't have them. So I went ahead and picked them up. And these rings, 12 pieces. You can take the heart off of the ring part, and you can use it on your cupcakes, your fake bakes, or any of your Valentine bows to put in the center. So they're good to have. I don't know what I'll do with them, but I'm sure I'll be using them. And friends, I finally found the lace that everybody's been showing that they found. This little heart ribbon lace. I went ahead and picked up two packs of them. I also picked up a package of the Valentine clothespins because I was thinking about hanging some of the lace hearts and using the little clothespins to attach it to the yarn with to put above somewhere in my kitchen. I don't know where. I don't need to put any more stuff, but oh well. Anyway, and guess what I finally found? The wooden heart plaques. They're called, just decor. These little heart plaques, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. I am in love with those vintage Valentines, and this one I put on a tile, but I think these vintage Valentines would look so cute on here, and then I'm going to pour the resin on them and make them into coasters. Oh, I can see it already. They're going to look too cute. Okay, so I picked up 4 of those, and I went ahead and picked up a red and a pink of these little envelope little things, decorative items, because friends, next year, God willing, I'm planning to get a bigger tree, and I think they would look so cute on your Valentine tree. And so I decided to pick up one of each since they had them, and they hadn't had them, so they were a must. And I also picked up these paper flowers. They're sticky paper flowers. I think they'll be great for the fake bakes. I plan to make some little petit fours. Who knows, they'll look cute on cupcakes as well. Look at that. That's not too bad for $1.25, I don't think. But anyway, I picked up some of those because I thought they were pretty. And, oh well, I forgot to show you this. I picked this up I think these sell for $1 at Walmart. Look how cute this cupcake ribbon is. I can see that already on one of my cupcake with the stick ornaments. Okay, so what else? I also picked up some foam beads because I'm going to need them to go around the cake. And friends, look what I found. I found these little toys, and I was like a kid in a toy store. Because, like I said, I plan to get a bigger Valentine tree next year, and these are going to be perfect to go on it. And there's another one. There's a donut. How stinking cute are these? Had to have them. Okay, so I picked those up, and then I went ahead and picked up some more of these because, friends, I repaint these. These are squishy and lightweight, and I repaint them, glitter them up, and then put the decoration on top with a cherry. And I used this on my Christmas tree this past year, but that would be cute on a Valentine tree with a Valentine heart on it. This is all it is. You just repaint it, and it dries real quick, and the paint stays on real good. Look at that. I love it. So I went ahead and picked up some more of these because they don't always have these. Another thing I picked up from their doggy toy section. That's annoying. I picked up this little donut because look, friends, this is what I do with. I'm going to show you. you get your little donut, but you can paint over it and you can decorate them any way you want. So pick you up some of these. If you don't want to make them out of dough, when they have these, pick them up for $1.25. Oh yeah, and that's my little cake that I made with just the scraps that I had left over of styrofoam. And I picked up some more of these, the little toys that I told you you needed to have to, if you wanted to make a fake Valentine, what am I saying? Fake cake, Valentine cake. The cone and the donut, and all you need is in here. So I picked up some of that, and let's see. I picked up 2 of these because I have something in mind that I'm going to do with these. Maybe not this year, but I'm going to save them for next year. I'm going to cut out some hearts out of cardboard and add to them, like add one there and then another one, and put them out in my planters underneath the porch by the doors. I think they will be so cute. Friends, remember I told you you can do a lot with cardboard. I thought those were really good for the price. And I found some of these. I know these are around every year, but they hadn't had them. And what I'm using them for, and I'm saving them for next year, to do the garland around my front door. So I went ahead and picked that up. I also picked up, I thought this was very, very cute, this little frame. I can find somewhere in the kitchen to put it. It's not all that great, but it's cute. And then I found this, Let's Chill. I thought this would be so cute for summer when we're making our summer treats, our fake bakes and stuff. Had to have that. And I already had one of these, but it's in the moving process. It's packed away somewhere, and I'm ready to make my sample, my St. Patrick's Day sample of a little centerpiece that I'm gonna make. So I went ahead and picked this little decoration up. Of course, you know me, if you've been with me a while, you know that I take all this apart and I decorate with them. So anyway, I picked up one of these, and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm making with it. Friends, I think that's it. That's all for my haul this time. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you go out and find some of these good buys. And friends, please, please, please pick up what you need, and let's make that Valentine cake together. All right, friends, until next video, see ya. Love you.